In this episode, we're going to be doing a makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hi, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now today's episode, as I said earlier, I'm doing a makeup look. This is the makeup look that I did for Keeping It Real Fun. And we are doing epilepsy this month, so the color is purple. So if you want to know how I came up with this fantabulous look, yes, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. If you want to know how I came up with this look, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here are the wonderful ladies of KIRF. Now I'll have a link to everyone's channel down below in the description, so please go and check them out. Cosmetics. And then I have this one from BH Cosmetics. And I did pull out this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or not. And then I have this one from BH Cosmetics. So let's get started on this eye look. Now here is the finished look. Now I really like how I really put the color on the eyelids, eyelashes, top and bottom. That's something new I'm trying, up and the bottom ones. I tried them years ago, but I think I'm a little bit more experienced now, so I was able to put them on a little different, but they're on. And then the lip to go along with the purple, I think it came out really cute. I'm enjoying myself with keeping it real fun because we get to do looks, and I love to play on my makeup and discover new looks. So let me know what you think of my look down below, and there will be a playlist link down below so you can see the other participants in this collaboration. Now when you go see them, let them know that Stephanie sent you. Girl, feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Bye-bye. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.